Alright guys, so we're going to be installing an SSD. I picked up the Samsung, I don't know, 860 EVO 500 gigabytes. I picked it for about, I think, $70 on Amazon. And we're going to be installing it today on my old Acer Aspire E15 2014. I already went through yesterday and I bought RAM for my laptop. I upgraded it from 4 gigabytes of RAM to 16 gigabytes of RAM. I bought a HyperX Impact RAM sticks to 8 gigabytes for around $60 on Amazon, so I'm getting a pretty good deal. I spent maybe $100 on the whole package, so hopefully I can run Photoshop, I can run some video editing, some light work, nothing too drastic or major, I mean. So let's get that installed and let me show you guys how we have to do it. This is going to be the initial test with it having the HDD drive still in it. I've removed the battery so I can give it a complete auto start, see how long this takes to boot up.
Me once or twice, I expect them. I just wanna know what your truth is.
So one thing I did forget to mention is that with either the SSD, you're gonna have to have an enclosure to be able to transfer your HDD to the SSD, or you can just go ahead and buy this cable. I honestly don't know what it's called. This is the first time I've ever working on my computer myself. So $10 on Amazon and get the job done. You can download the software you need right off of Samsung's website. It's free. So let's get to that. So if you come here to the Samsung section, they actually have it for free download, Samsung Magician. Right here, the Magician software, it is about 30 megabytes, so be relatively quick. I already have it installed, so let's go over and show you guys how to move all the things from your HDD to your new SSD, obviously with the cable, and then I can show you guys the new boot up time and what it actually takes for me to run my first software. Once you open it up, let's go step by step. Next, I've obviously yet to do this, so you guys are gonna watch it firsthand. It is at 65 megabytes read speed, 90 write speed, and random. No idea what this means, but I'll show you guys the better performance from the Samsung solid state drive, 500 gigabytes. On that same website, they have a data migration app, or software, I mean. So you have to download that. The first one we installed is just to run tests on your current HDD or your SSD. So you download the data migration one, open it up, and it's gonna look like this. You start it up from here. So this is the source disk, which is obviously this is my current drive, and then the new SSD, it says right there Samsung SSD 860 EVO, so you know that's the correct one. Alright, we're just gonna go right here and hit start. We'll delete, so it's just saying it's gonna delete whatever's on the brand new one, which is nothing, so that doesn't matter. But you do have to go ahead and close all the apps that you're using, so it can copy everything. So it says, when cloning starts, all data on the target disk will be deleted and cannot be recovered, yada yada yada. Would you like to start cloning? Yes, because it's not going to affect anything. After you're done, go ahead and shut down. And there you go, it's completely loaded up, all done. Alright, now let's go back to the Samsung Magician and let's see the initial test, what it's going to show, the performance benchmark. So that about wraps it up for the video. Again, it was on my Acer E5, also known as the E15 2014 version. Originally had 4 gigs of RAM and 500 gigabytes of HDD, but now I have upgraded it to the 16 gigabytes of RAM with the HyperX Impact. And now, as you guys saw, I just finished up installing the Samsung SSD. And as you guys saw from the comparison of the times, SSD are the way to go, especially on laptops. It's great for workflow, great for video editing as well, hence why I wanted to do it myself. So I hope you guys liked it. Leave a comment below what type of computer you guys use, maybe what your type of setup, if you guys have ever done this before. This is my first time doing it, so it's kind of a very nervous thing to do because I didn't want to mess up my computer as my daily. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Peace.